It's like surgery right now. Man's just sweating. Ass is clinched up, everything. Fuck, bro, you're replacing one panel, you're replacing the whole side, yo.
Something crazy out there, I'll convince Nero to do it.
Should we show them?
I did.
Like a quick?
That's it. That's all.
Bam.
We didn't plan the outfits. I showed up first.
Garrett Temple's car? Yeah. I just called him up. I'm like, yo, bro, I need to borrow your car for the day.
Shout out our bullshit and stay tuned for more work coming this summer.
What's going on, guys? Another day in the shop, another week in the shop. A lot more content for you guys to see. I hope you guys enjoy everything that you guys have been watching so far. This vlog has some good stuff for you guys to see as well. So keep liking, keep subscribing. Let's get it.
Assembly's going down on like 7. Kill switch is almost done, and then Sunny just clock here with all the wrap material. The second one. Yeah, we're on track right now.
No, it's not. It's because there's an imperfection at the bottom.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to position it so that the imperfection is not
I get it.
on the car, but I think I'm gonna have to lift it, bring it up, and then just pull the imperfection back. We didn't plan the outfits.
Yeah, you got it.
I showed up first. I showed up first.
You guys are both almost wearing it. Thank you. Yeah.
You guys both have great pants on too.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know. I just decided I wanted to put this on today, and then he pulled up. I'm like, oh man. Look like a real team. It's a team sport. To be honest, it depends on the wrap brand. Some wrap brands, you actually have to post heat a lot. I know KPMF, you gotta post heat a lot. 3M, you gotta post heat a fairly good amount. And Oztech, you have to post heat a lot. Yeah, I think the thicker it gets, the more you have to post heat. Like the heavier you have to post heat it. Ooh. Let me pull up my sleeves. Huh?
Yeah. You don't need to close up for you because this one.
Oh, okay.
Come here.
Hold on, there's a hair on the back of it.
Yo, there's some guy that just came in with a bike, like a bicycle. Just rode around in the parking lot with a bicycle.
And he left?
Yeah, he just left. He literally like just rode his bike up to the garage door and left. Like that. I don't know where he went. He just did like a circle around the yard or around the. Yeah. Came to the wrong spot.
When we go and we take a car,
We go.
downtown and we do a shoot,
And we
Bill, and like, we just up. That's what it's looking like. So
the McLaren
that's
video,
probably what we're gonna do more.
the Raven video.
That's probably me next.
Yeah.
Oh, we should do a whole reveal to him.
Yeah, because
We should do that.
it's him and his son.
Yeah. Let's do a whole reveal.
Keep him
Yo, we
blindfolded.
need that. Cover. The Nero's.
No, but there's
We're gonna get that the silk cover.
but you got to find a cover that's big enough for the cybertruck.
Yeah.
It's
Not no regular.
that's not a
That's not
Porsche
regular.
lamp. Yeah, go to some bedding store.
That's like, but like, it needs to be that still. You know that still where it's like when you just like pull the rivet off the way it just moves. Oh.
And then is the Cybertruck getting rims?
No.
No? Oh, in the summer, not now though.
If you have if you have something crazy out there, just hit
Sign
us
on?
up. I'll convince Nero to do it.
Even since I've been working with Nero, we haven't got an SPV yet.
Really?
Oh yeah. What have worked on? I've been working on adventure. That's like one of my buckets of cars. We have it at the old shop, but that was just we're just storing it for another guy.
Oh really?
And that car is like in this area?
No, old shop. Old shop.
Oh.
Yeah. And I was following Nero behind that thing, and every time it let off the throttle, this big. Yeah. Like during the day.
Oh yeah. It's strong though or not?
So big.
Strong enough.
I guess, yeah.
If you have like
Yeah, I swear. There's no more on there?
none. I mean, yeah, none. I look on
If it's not there, that means they're all missing. Of course, stuff goes missing all the time.
16 feet. Yeah. Seems right.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Actually, it might be. Actually, no, it's more.
It's more, right? I feel like it's like the same length as my Escalade.
Yeah, probably.
So it's like 17,
Really?
18, yeah. You're gonna hold. You think it's okay there?
Yeah, it's okay. I just go like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, cut out.
Chunk out in the middle. Would that make it easier?
A little bit, yeah.
Right? Just slit from there and come down and go up? Or you want to follow this?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, so yeah, so this is dropping. Okay, all right. Watch there.
I mean, this stuff over stick really hard right away, so that's a good thing. Yeah.
It's like surgery right now. Man's just sweating. Everyone's like, ass is clinched up, everything. Fuck. So it's not one throw, you're replacing one panel, you're replacing the side, yo. Yeah, bro. Big money right here. Man, just sweat.
If you get that on, it'll be way easier.
Fold that, yeah, come down. The boss raps too, eh? He does.
Oh, yeah?
He raps his car.
Just make sure at the top, where's that?
The seam is,
Yeah, okay, so the corner thing is here. So this is fine. This, we know it's covered.
It's nice that everything's smooth on the car.
it doesn't seem hard, but it's still hard, bro. Over your shoulders.
We're working at a tight space.
I know. It's too many cars in here right now, bro.
This one.
This was supposed to be like the center for this wrap, and then of course it's like PPF, this, that, wrap. Like,
I know what you mean. That's what I mean. With the printout,
it just looks massive.
So big.
That's what she said.
It is like a billboard. Free advertising.
100%. That's the whole point of this truck. Otherwise, no point to own a Tesla Cybertruck. Should we show them?
I think
Like a quick?
that's it. That's all.
Bam. I don't know, you gotta pause. Bam.
It's too bright, you can barely see it.
Is it?
You can kind of see it.
Let me go from far. That's it. That's all you're getting. Yo, you can see it in the background in the car the whole time.
We'll see the color. We'll see the color.
Oh man, it looks so good. So yo, what I told him
Yeah, for the logo, right?
on this part here, because we were going with obviously the logo. It can't float because those letters will fall through. So I was like, yo, instead, see how that has like a plate on partial? I said, run the plate right across.
Yeah.
So that's why the plate's across, but now I'm telling him to add some sort of design in the plate around the logo because it just looks too plain now. Like when you look at it straight on, see how it just looks like a plate?
Yeah.
I was like, no. I'm like, you add like a little like indentation or something around it.
I know what you mean.
So it doesn't look, but it's a 3-piece cap with the carbon on the inside.
Crazy. Wow. That's
4-inch lips.
Yep.
Yeah.
When are they coming in?
Once I give them the final go ahead, should be today or tomorrow, I'll give the final go ahead. Like then it's about 2 to 3 weeks from now. This has to go downtown.
Okay, yeah.
I think we gotta go back to our signature spot.
Yeah.
With the stars and everything. Has winter tires, so we're good. It won't get stuck, you know?
Yeah.
All these Cybertrucks getting stuck, hit me up.
Yeah, I know. It keeps
we got the winter tire package. Look at that. Fresh, big, chunky meat, bro. Look how thick that is.
Oh, yeah. Those
It's like almost an inch thick.
It's a tank. Like, holy.
the Blizzak.
The Blizzaks, bro.
I heard these are really good.
Oh, Blizzaks are like one of the best. Blizzaks,
Are we supposed to be
X-Ice.
getting more
I love
snow
X-Ice.
This weekend, yeah.
Yeah.
Get those guns ready to, you know?
Fix my girl's snowboard.
My back is still shot, old man. Huh?
My girl has a snowblower,
Yeah.
and they couldn't get it
What
started.
snow, bro? You're young, man. Start lifting some snow.
I
You youngins
put in
are so
my
lazy.
hours, bro. I put in my hours from the ages of 10 to
No, I know.
year.
I know. My guy's hustling. You're hustling.
I
I'm
was
just talking
shit.
shit.
For money, bro. Back in the day.
See? You're
Grade
good.
7 and 8.
You're good. You're hustling, bro. That's all that matters. So, this is gonna look like a tank once it's done, eh? Alex, how sick does this look? Look at the body lines. It's so smooth. It's like a baby's butt. Huh, Davut? It's like a baby's butt, no? You know? Oh man, no. So we're doing a stealth conversion on this. It's a brand new X7 M60 from BMW Etobicoke right beside us. The customer has been following us on Instagram. They've seen our work and they said, you know, when they get their new car, they want to hit us up. So they did, and it just worked out being right beside us. So they brought the car.
A new deal.
Yeah, right here. Car has 69 kilometers on it. 69. Yeah, so the stealth conversion's already started. The car has only been here for, I think, a day now. We were waiting for the customer's confirmation because we were on the fence if she was gonna go do a whole different color.
Yeah.
So she was gonna go with like Miami blue, but in paint protection film.
Yeah.
Because you know how now we have colored PPF. So she was actually thinking about doing that to deter thieves from taking her car, because this is her second one. Her last one got stolen, yeah. So I told him, like, honestly, the color doesn't matter. Like, look, that Durango, that purple, bright purple one they tried to attempt. So it doesn't matter what color it is, right? I'm like, just do something where it's gonna look sick. You know, the material is obviously, it looks so good, man. I don't know, like it's hard to catch this stuff on camera, but it actually makes it look like a battleship. So we're doing the stealth, we're doing all the gloss pieces in gloss. We're supposed to be doing some sort of M color vinyl on the side of this. I think we might follow like this body line here and kind of go like this with the M colors. Yeah. But we'll add that on after in gloss to give it that accent to match. You see the calipers have the M logo. Yeah. So we'll do the same thing on the side.
Oh, my Uber driver smelled so bad, I'll jump out. And I was already like sick, and I'm like, bro. So right now it's 21 minutes from our shop.
Okay, so leave at 1:45.
Okay, I'm gonna work. Sorry? Yeah, I'm gonna go up and wash the exterior right now. I'm gonna set up the buckets, and then he said he to come tonight, maybe tonight, or he said first thing tomorrow morning. He said he's working on a car right now. What to be careful about is the front end got painted with the entire bumper, so when you pressure wash it, do it from far away. Because the paint is still fresh, you don't have the thing. Yeah, all the front bumper's fresh and painted. Even when we wash it, so we're gonna do this first, because yeah. We're going to Premier Tire right now. We're gonna lower this thing with our lowering links. This is not gonna be fun. The regenerative braking.
Oh, you're nauseous already.
Yeah. This is about to be fun.
Because regenerative braking, it's to conserve power, right?
Yeah, so because it's electric motor, as soon as you let off the throttle, like the motor pretty much turns off. Unlike of a gas engine where it holds RPM, so if you let off the throttle, at least like you're not getting that motion sick. But at least the good thing about this is like, it saves the brakes a lot. Cause like realistically, you don't even need to press the brake pedal. You can just let off the throttle pedal and the car will come to a complete stop. Like I'm not even gonna press the brake pedal, it's gonna come to a complete stop. See, effortless. Garrett Temple's car? Yeah. I just called him up, I'm like, yo bro, I need to borrow your car for the day. And then he came and dropped it off for us.
So you dropped it off what, first thing in the morning?
Yeah, he was here in the early morning.
And then, yeah, to get this done and then get a wash after.
Yeah, we're gonna detail it for him, freshen it up, and then it just sucks that like all the snow is melting. So regardless, we are gonna wash it, but like the moment he drives off the parking lot, it's gonna be wrecked.
It's that time of the year where it's gonna start melting.
And on top of that, like apparently we're supposed to get more snow by the end of this week or something.
Really?
The next couple of months, honestly, like until summer, like every car is just gonna be ruined. Come on. Back the boat up. Like, this feels so different compared to the old body Escalade, like just driving it. We're gonna lower it 2 inches right now. He's on 24s. So in the summertime, when we put 26s on it, bigger wheels, and we could adjust the ride height.
You can adjust it whenever.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, okay.
YouTube content, man.
How are you?
This guy's got the camera out too.
Oh my god, it's the golf guy.
You guys have to take the tires off on this? Oh yeah. Really tired, bro.
Tire rim and everything. This shit's heavy.
Bro, we had to powder coated these and I had to disassemble all caps. They're plastic. They're bolted in from the back, 3 bolts each. It took me an hour just to put it back together. This thing right here. So see, this is the one solid piece right here.
Yeah.
And the links that we're gonna put in, they're actually height adjustable.
So then, again, how do you adjust?
Once he brings up the link, I'll show you. But it's literally like a threaded, it's like pretty much like a threaded nut. That shit trips me out because all an airbag that's going off.
Whatever else we do, like we, you know,
Yeah.
keep it up the internet.
For sure.
You know what I'm saying? But
That's how you make that work.
Retire, baby. Shout out our emotion. And stay tuned for more work coming this summer.